Welcome! In this session, we'll explore the different cloud-based storage options available at ASU, which are Google Drive, MediaAmp, Dropbox, and OneDrive. We hope that after this session, you will be able to choose an option that will cater to your needs best and improve your work efficiency while at ASU. For each product, we will provide an overview with details regarding their benefits and features, walk through how to access it through ASU, and discuss how it can be used within Canvas as an instructor. Additionally, we will refer you to resources you can review for further learning and assistance, then provide an overall comparison of all 4 products as a final summary. The first option available is Google Drive. Google Drive for ASU is a cloud-based storage system that is available to all ASU staff, faculty, and students for free. Currently, ASU members have unlimited storage space within their ASU Google Drive accounts. Users will not lose access to their ASU Google accounts after they leave ASU. However, it is best practice to download and move all documents to another source if you depart ASU as a backup and safety measure. Users can add files to their ASU Google Drive and organize folders as needed. Certain file types, like Google Docs, can be edited through Google Drive and have their changes saved automatically when online. The changes will then sync simultaneously to any shared links or embeds from their Drive accounts. ASU Google Drive is also integrated into ASU's Canvas system, which means users can quickly add files from their Google Drive accounts into their Canvas courses. An example of these options will be shown in a moment. To access ASU Google Drive, simply go to my.asu.edu, go to the Links menu above My Classes, and click on the Google Drive link listed. Another option is to go directly to drive.google.com, type in your ASU right@asu.edu email address, and log in to your ASU account. As stated, ASU Google Drive is integrated with ASU's Canvas system, which means instructors and students can pull their files from Google Drive straight into their Canvas courses through the Google Drive plugin tool. Instructors developing content in a Canvas course may click the plug icon in the Rich Content Editor's toolbar and select Google Apps. If the choice does not instantly appear, click into View All and locate Google Apps. Users may be asked to authorize their ASU account for the first time by logging in with their ASU Right credentials. They then will be able to locate their desired files to be added to the course. Currently, only a user's personal My Drive is accessible through the plugin, not shared drives. Once a file has been located, the user may click on it, then select Link at the bottom of the window to hyperlink it into the Canvas text box or Rich Content Editor. Alternatively, users may select Embed to have a preview of the document appear in the text box. However, it is advised to also provide a direct link to the file in case the embed does not properly load for a viewer. Users who wish to view the files in Canvas will be asked to authorize their own Google accounts before gaining access. Additionally, please be sure share settings for the file or folder the file resides in is set accordingly for others to be able to view the files. This may include setting who can access the file and what permissions they have. View, comment, or edit. If there is a need to share a folder of files, please grab the folder share link from the Google Drive website and add it as a hyperlink to the Canvas course via a page or module. As a bonus, Google Drive also provides a desktop application version so users can access their files through their computers quickly and easily. Also known as Google Drive for Desktop, the application allows users with a Google Drive account to view and edit files through their desktop without filling hard drive space. All files edited through the Drive for Desktop sync simultaneously to the user's online Google Drive account while connected to the Internet. Download the application from the Google Drive for Desktop site and follow the steps provided to get set up. For more information on ASU Google Drive, please see the resources provided or send a ticket to the Technology Desk Side Support team in the Service tab of My ASU. Next, we will dive into MediaAmp. MediaAmp is a cloud-based streaming media player licensed by ASU. In other words, faculty or staff may upload their audio or videos in MediaAmp and then share a link or embed their items into their Canvas courses for students to play. MediaAmp is only available to ASU faculty and staff. No students are granted access unless they are a student worker and require it. Media that is embedded into a Canvas page is also blocked from public sharing. Other users will be unable to share the media unless they have direct access to it through MediaAmp or had a link shared with them. MediaAmp is also integrated into Canvas, so instructors may access their MediaAmp accounts through the plugin tool in the Rich Content Editor's toolbar and add items in a course quickly. More on this option will be covered momentarily. Currently, faculty and staff have unlimited storage space to upload their media. However, users will lose access to MediaAmp after leaving ASU. Therefore, it is advised to back up any items needed onto an external hard drive or share access with another faculty or staff member who may need the media for future courses. To access MediaAmp, faculty and staff may go to asu.modalis.io. First, type in your ASU write@asu.edu email address and you will be redirected to ASU's single sign-on page. Select the faculty/staff/student worker option, then log in with your ASU credentials and confirm Duo authentication if requested. Another way to access MediaAmp is through Canvas by adding it as a course navigation link. However, please be careful with this feature as students will also see the MediaAmp link in Canvas but will not see any media from the instructor. Students need to access media uploaded by a teacher from a created content page in Canvas, which will be demonstrated next. MediaAmp is available as an integration tool in Canvas, so media can be directly loaded or embedded into a Canvas content page. Instructors will click on the plug icon in the Rich Content Editor's toolbar and select MediaAmp if it appears. Otherwise, click on View All and locate MediaAmp from the list of provided technologies. Once clicked, the user's MediaAmp account will load in a new window and an audio, video, or playlist can be selected as an embed for students to play. By embedding media from MediaAmp into Canvas, students will not be able to share the media outside of the course. It is also advised to share a hyperlink to the media in the case that embeds do not appear for students. For more information on MediaAmp, please see the resource provided or contact the MediaAmp team for further questions and technical inquiries. Finally, we will cover Dropbox and OneDrive together, as they are similar products and have similar processes. Dropbox and OneDrive are both online cloud-based storage systems. Like Google Drive, users can add and organize files and folders as needed. Any changes to files will sync simultaneously to any shared links or embeds. Here are some facts comparing the two programs for you to consider which storage option would be best and most efficient to use. Similarly, like all the options discussed, Dropbox and OneDrive are licensed by ASU, so faculty, staff, and even students are able to receive these accounts for free. Both programs are supported by Microsoft Office documents, which can be edited using the Microsoft Online program, meaning when a user desires to edit an Office document online, they may do so by using the web-based version of Microsoft Office. Edits will save and sync to their Dropbox or OneDrive accounts as long as an internet connection is maintained. Both programs have a desktop application that can be installed on any Mac or PC. However, they may take up hard drive space, so please do more research before syncing all items from an account to a desktop. One main difference Dropbox and OneDrive have from the other mentioned programs is they are not currently integrated into Canvas. Users will have to provide the share links on a page for others to access. Finally, for both programs, users will lose access to them when leaving ASU. Therefore, it is important to back up files on another account or an external hard drive if they are wished to be kept. The main difference between the two programs is that although OneDrive is already available for all ASU members to access, users who desire Dropbox must submit a request for it through the provided service link. Additionally, there are slight differences in their storage capacity as Dropbox is set to be unlimited while OneDrive starts at a 1 TB limit, but will expand up to 5 TB automatically if needed. Please consider all these points before making a decision on which cloud storage to depend upon. To access ASU Dropbox or OneDrive accounts, users may go to my.asu.edu, go to the Links menu above My Classes, click the View More option, and click on the Dropbox or OneDrive links listed. Another option is to go directly to dropbox.com or onedrive.live.com, type in your ASU write@asu.edu email address, and log in using your ASU credentials. However, as mentioned earlier, Dropbox accounts must be requested and approved first before gaining access to an account. As stated, Dropbox and OneDrive are not currently integrated into Canvas like Google Drive. Therefore, in order to share files from a Dropbox or OneDrive account into a Canvas course, share links must be provided somewhere in Canvas, such as a page. For more information on Dropbox or OneDrive, please see the resource links provided or send a ticket to the Technology Desk Side Support team in the Service tab of My ASU for further assistance. Now that you have learned about the 4 storage options at ASU, please compare the information and resources, then decide which system would work best and most efficiently for your needs. Additionally, Although all the options provide generous storage space, it is still advised to back up files onto an external hard drive as a precaution and to clear up clutter as needed. For further assistance, please reach out to the points of contact listed in their designated resource pages. You have just learned about the available ASU licensed storage options to Google Drive, MediaAmp, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Please visit our website for more resources and topics.